Welcome. In this video, I will show you some hidden tips and tricks most users don't know about on OPPO Pad 5. So let's start with some basic ones. If you feel like the display of your tablet is way too bright and your eyes get tired very quickly while using your tablet, you don't have to enable any reading mode or eye comfort mode, which will make your device look orange. Instead, you can go to display and brightness and simply turn on the adaptive tone, which is the feature that will make your device simply less white without altering your colors drastically, so you can actually use your device comfortably. The next thing is lock screen and home screen settings. Let's go to home screen, for example, and here you'll find this cool gesture: double tap empty space to lock screen, enable it, and then also enable the same setting, gesture in lock screen settings, which will work well in a separate direction, in the opposite direction. Now, if we just double tap the screen of our tablet, we'll be able to lock it without reaching for the power button, and then we'll be able to unlock it just as easily. The next thing is widgets and the smart widgets. So one thing that is not obvious and it's not mentioned anywhere: if you want to have more than one widget on top of each other, then you just layer your widgets on top of each other. Let's for example add the contacts widget. Let's add one contact widget, of course. Okay, let's add some other widget, for example digital well-being and Gmail. I think this one will not fit. Maybe notes widget. Okay, now tap down. Now we're gonna have to simply stack all these widgets on top of each other. And actually I'm thinking let's just put them all in one right here. Now if we just tap on the screen, we'll be able to we'll get basically the widget that serves as 4 different widgets and takes the place of just one. And now the last thing that I wanted to show you is how easily you can transfer text on your device. So basically, if you open one window and then you open another window in the split screen view, so let it be notes, so 2 apps where we can enter the text, and now we just select the text in one application, like this, and then we drag and drop this text to any text field in the other one. And we instantly get the result. And also there are some cool tricks like quick screenshot by dragging 3 fingers down your screen. You can also enhance this experience by taking a partial screenshot simply by holding 3 fingers down on your screen and then dragging them down to the point where you want the screenshot to end. Or of course you can also take a scrollable screenshot. All you have to do is just take a regular one and then tap scroll, and then let your device scroll the image down, and once you want to end this screenshot, you just tap on your screen and then tap done, and this way you can get the scrollable screenshot. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.